We will talk about the parts that are similar first, that is the listening and the speaking module. The listening modules in both the academic and the general training version has four parts, which was earlier called sections. These four parts, out of these four parts, the first two are general topics, and the first one is a conversation, the second one is a monologue. And the third one and the fourth one are more academic oriented. So the third one is again a conversation but in educational context, and the fourth one is also a speech or can also be called a monologue. Each of these has 40 questions and they have to be answered in almost 30 minutes, and then a 10-minute transferring time is given afterwards. The speaking test also has three parts in both the versions. The first part is general life questions based on choices and habits. The second part is a topic or a cue card, and the third part is opinion based question. This test goes on for about 14 to 16 minutes in both the versions. Now we'll talk about the parts that are different. Those two modules are reading and writing. For the reading, the academic version has three sections. Each of these has one long text each, and they are more suited to a reader audience which is about to enroll into a university undergraduate or graduate course. These write ups are sourced from books, magazines, journals, or newspaper articles and are suitable for a student. As opposed to the general training test, where these write-ups are more daily life based and will be suited to someone who is just going to adjust or live in an English speaking environment, or simply an environment where English is the language used. So the GT version has 5 to 6 texts in 3 sections. The first 2 sections has 2 to 3 short texts, and the last one is a long text. Again, both these tests have the same number of questions, which is 40. Each question is for 1 mark each, and the time given is also the same in both these tests. Now, we'll talk about the writing module. The part 1 or the task 1 in these tests is different for academic and the general training version. In the academic test, the part 1 is some visual information in the form of graphs, charts, diagrams, illustrations, and it has to be described into words as a response to that visual. In the general training version, however, there has to be a response in the answer to a letter. It can be something giving information, it can be congratulatory, or a response to another letter that has been given. It can even be a complaint. But one thing has to be remembered, that the language in both these versions has to be formal in the academic, whereas it can range from personal to informal to semi-formal in the general training test, and it will be based on the demand of the question. The second part is somewhat similar for writing, which is the writing task 2. In task 2, in the first test, there is, in the first version, which is the general training or academic, the task is the same, which is that the response has to be to a certain point of view. It can be an argument, it can be a solution, or a cause and effect, advantage, disadvantage type of question. But the answer has to be particularly formal in the academic version, whereas again, it can range from personal to informal to semi formal in the general training version of the test. So, those were the main differences in the academic and general training